Good morning, happy Tuesday everyone. Welcome to our maths session today. All right, now yesterday, boys and girls, for maths, we were practicing continuing a skip counting pattern. Now we are going to continue skip counting again today, but this time we are going to be filling in the gaps, okay? Now remember, skip counting is a part of addition because when we skip count forward, we are adding numbers each time. Okay, now the first thing we need to do is we need to check to see what our pattern is skip counting by and if it's counting forwards or backwards. Okay, now if I have a look at our first skip counting pattern, I can see that the numbers are getting bigger. Okay, which tells me the skip counting pattern is going forwards. Okay, the numbers are getting bigger. Now, we need to fill in the gaps here, and that means we need to see what our pattern is counting by. So we actually need to find the rule first, okay? So let's have a look to see what we have here, and we're going to start with the numbers here. We need to look at the numbers that are already there. So we're going to look at these numbers and these numbers, okay? That'll help us. Now, 0, 1, 2. Okay, so we know that over here we've added 2. Now, I'm not just going to start skip counting by 2s straight away. I just want to check and make sure that I want to make sure that what I've got here also tells me that it's definitely counting by 2s. So let's see, if we were to write the numbers in, would I get to 10 here? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, good. 10, 12, 14, 16. So now I definitely know that this is skip counting by 2s. I can pop that rule in straight away, okay, because I already know it. Now I want you to count with me so we can fill those gaps. Starting from 0. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Okay. Now remember, when we're skip counting and when we're making those jumps, I want you to show the jumps and using our addition symbol, show how many you are adding each time. We know that because it's skip counting by 2s, we are adding 2 each time. Okay. Now, let's have a look at this one and figure out what the rule in the skip counting pattern is here, okay? Now, it's starting from 19, but there's no number straight after, so I don't know what it's skip counting by yet, but I can see that there are 2 numbers together here. So I need to see what this part is skip counting by so that I can go back and fill in the gaps, all right? So from 27 to 29, 27, 28, 29. So from 27 to 29, it has jumped 2. So this skip counting pattern must be counting by 2s, okay? 19, 20, 21, I've added 2. 21, 22, 23, I added 2. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So each time I've added 2 to complete my skip counting pattern by 2s. That is the rule. Let's count these numbers together to make sure it's correct, okay? We always need to go back and double check. We're mathematicians. Mathematicians always double check, okay? Even triple check. 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33. So the interesting thing about this is that this skip counting pattern was by 2s and this is also by 2s. So it doesn't always have to start from 0, okay? And it doesn't always have to be the even numbers. We know that these numbers are even. I started with 19 and these numbers are all odd, okay? But if it jumps 2 each time, if we add 2 each time, then it is skip counting by 2s, okay? All right, boys and girls, I'm going to keep this video nice and short because I want you to get started straight away, and yesterday's video was long, okay? So today you are going to find the Tuesday activity in files, and you are going to find the skip counting pattern, work out what it's counting by, and fill in the gaps, okay? Today we just worked on 2s, but in your activity you might see some skip counting patterns by 2s, 5s, and 10s, and there might even be a little challenge question for you, okay? All right, boys and girls, happy counting, and send your work to me when you have finished your fill in the gaps activity. Awesome. Bye everyone. Good luck.